Somebody's too loud over there.
Yeah, that's you.
That's loud.
Yes, I'm going to say especially you, by the way.
Hey, the camera's set up just right so you can see this one symbol.
Oh, cool.
There we go. We don't even know if Miss John brought his cord or not today. Hamba, you cannot join our band. I'm sorry, you're too old. Too old.
How about you take your amp real quick so I can look at this?
Hi, Mr. Cole. Mr. Allen, did you bring your mic cord today? Nope. Darn. All right. Caleb, you know what that means? That means you have to yell the whole time.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna turn down our we're gonna play fire.
Oh, so people can hear you?
Yeah.
What if we just do instrumental practices? Well, you work on your vocals. Because you're like, you should work on that a little bit more. And the three of us can brainstorm other stuff. Oh, no, wait, Dylan, what are you saying? Count. Oh, are you doing, do you know? Are you practicing, do you know right now?
No. This one.
Why do I open it?
I had to make sure I got it correct. So I want to try to see.
I don't even remember what the fuck. I don't even know what number. Wait, hold on. Play something different. Play something like. Something.
Help me! Help!
Wait, JR, play Psycho Killer.
I don't actually know.
Yo, it's the easiest. covered psycho killer by talking heads. Okay, but no, so
Can we listen to it really quick so I can also sing with you guys? Would you please?
well, I don't even know the drum part. I was just kind of.
Yeah.
No, I only know the bass line. Okay. JR, it's freaking A-A-A-A-A-E-G.
Oh yeah, can we just listen to it really quick? If you guys don't mind?
No, it goes E-G.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's easy.
Guys, on
Okay.
Skibbity, I say let's listen to it.
Alright, Dylan, stop playing so he can play Psycho Killer by Talking Heads. Turn turn up all the way, bro.
I'm gonna turn it a bit down.
Come on here, give it to me. Can you guys hear that?
No, well, I thought you played it. JR,
JR, we're about to listen to it.
we're about to
Okay.
do it.
Stop, Dylan. Do. Switch up a tab. Guys, we should do a heavy metal cover of the song.
Oh, that would actually be pretty cool.
Hold on, but do we know what's the lifetime?
No, I dropped the stick. I didn't know we were about to play Pantera.
You may find yourself living in a shotgun. You may find yourself large by yourself behind the wheel of a car. You may find yourself in a beautiful house, in a beautiful life. And yet, how did I
He's just doing weird noises. Dylan, stop making weird noises.